Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this reversible neckerchief with its embroidered flowers and vines. This is part of my Swedish traditional costume ensemble, which is designed to fit 18-inch, which is 45 to 46 centimeter dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable PDF sewing pattern. Use the neckerchief part of the pattern to cut out 2 squares of fabric. One will be white and one is a red print. Follow tutorials found at shelleywood.com to form detached chain stitches, daisy stitches, and other stitches that make flowers, vines, and leaves on the white fabric. Create similar daisies and vines in all 4 corners of your white fabric. Lay the red fabric on top of the embroidered white with right sides together. And that means that the pretty side of the embroidery touches the pretty side of the fabric. Sew the red fabric to the white, leaving an opening. Clip all 4 corners before you invert. You'll see me clip just a couple of corners, but you need to do all 4 before you invert this. And you use that opening that you left to invert the fabric. This is a lot like making a pillow if you've ever made one, so that part's fairly simple. Use a chopstick or bamboo knitting needle to gently poke out the corners. So when you see me do that, you'll notice that I kind of twist my chopstick a little bit. You want to do this very gently so you don't accidentally poke clear through the stitches. Fold the opening that you left behind in on itself, and then you're going to whip stitch that opening closed. So you can see I've folded the fabric inside that hole, and then I begin my whip stitch. Now if you don't know a lot about the whip stitch, you can look in the links below this video in the description on YouTube, and I have a tutorial on the whip stitch that could teach you how to do that. Press the neckerchief's edges flat, fold it in half, and try it on your doll. Fasten it with a little pin, snap, or even a brooch. This neckerchief, again, is part of the Swedish traditional costume for dolls that I designed, and all the free patterns for these other clothing items, the vest, the shirt, they're all found on my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.